Today we are going to discuss on how to install Python extensions in VS Code in Mac OS system. So first, I recommend you to watch this particular video. So step-by-step guide to installing Python on Mac OS. So by following this video, you install Python in Mac OS. Then you come back here into VS Code, and to confirm whether Python version, which version is available and whether Python is installed or not. So just open your terminal and just type here like Python 3 space dash dash version. And if you enter, it will show you here which Python version is installed here. So I installed with Python 3.14.16. If Python is not installed, here it will throw you error. So now come back here. So now we'll see how to install Python extensions in VS Code. So here there are two options are available. So one is this one. So here you can see extensions option, and there is one more option. If you click on view, and here also extensions is there. You can click either here or here. So you click on these extensions and you type here like Python. So if you type Python, so here it will list down the Python extensions here. So you click on this button, install button, or just click here. It will show you these details. So what is this Python extension? So you can click install on this button, or you can install on this. Both are fine. So here I will click on this install button. Here it's showing like installing. So as soon as it completes, so it will update like this, and you can see this uninstall button. So now after installing, you can observe here. So the Python extension is added here. So now what I will do here, I will go here, I will click on this Explorer. And if you see in this Explorer, so this window is coming like open folder. So you click on this open folder. As soon as you click on this, so you can select what is your project location. So currently I'm selecting this particular folder and I click on open. So now what happened? So this is my root folder, and here there are few options are available here. So if you see here, this is new file, and this is new folder, and this is refresh Explorer, and this is collapse folders in Explorer. So if I want to create a file under this my root folder, so you can click on this first option like new file, click, and here I'm typing like demo.py. So here I'm creating my Python file, and I will enter here. As soon as I enter, so my Python file window will open here. So here I will try to type like print and hello world. So this you can run it. So here you can see this button, run Python file button. You just click on this, and here in this terminal you can see this output here, hello world. And parallelly, so you can try different Python functions. Maybe you can define one variable here like 5 and b equal to 10 and c equal to 50, and I will mention some x equal to a plus b plus c, and at the end I will print the sum of a comma b and c is x. So it will do sum of these three variables and it will do print. If you run this one, so here you will get the output. Okay, so here you will see different options like run Python file. run Python file in dedicated terminal, run task, Python debugger using launch JSON. So these are all the options it is available here. So you can go here, either you can go here or here. At the same time, here I installed my Python extension. At the same way, if you want to install any other extension, you just simply type here and you install here. And so here I'll close this file and I click here, right, to create the files. Same way you can do here also. Like if you want to create a new file, you just click on this and here you can select your file. And suppose maybe you can you can select like what type of file. So there are three options are available. One is a text file, second is Python file, and third one is Jupyter Notebook. So since initially we're trying with Python file, if you click on Python file, so this window will come. So we already saw this one demo. And at the same time, you click on file and try to select this one text file. So here you will get text file. So here also you can try like print hello. Okay, so this is simple text file. And as soon as you try to save here, it asking you to save the location and the file. So I'm just clicking on save. Okay, so this is the text file. And at the same time, you click on text file and you try to select Jupyter Notebook. So this is like similar like Google Colab. So in Google Colab, you will get this right, Jupyter. So same way you can use here. Yeah. So, and you can run here or you can use run up. Okay, so for running this in Jupyter Notebook, you can install this one, Jupyter extension. You click on install and here it is installing. And once installation is complete, so here there are, I will show you one more option like, so get started with Jupyter Notebooks. So here it's showing multiple options. So first option is create or open a Jupyter Notebook. And suppose if I click on this, so new notebook will open here. So if I try to print same thing, like suppose I'll try to print this hello world. So now if I try to run, so this will, again it asking to install iKernel. So my iKernel is installing. So now that is completed. So once iKernel got completed, so I'm getting this out, hello world. So this is which one? This first option. So next what I'll do, I'll go for second option. So select a Jupyter kernel. So click on this and you select any of the option here. The kernel type you can select here. And at the same time, you can select this option, explore data and debug. And this option, last option. So, so for creating the notebooks in Jupyter Notebook, so you prefer this one, first one, or otherwise, simply what you can do here is you come back here and you can create one file here and you can run this Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so now overall we saw two things, two extensions. So one is Python extension and one more is Jupyter extension. So the Python extension is got installed here. Okay, and at the same time, if you try to search Jupyter, see here, this Jupyter got installed already. Okay, so like this, you can install. So whichever extension is required. So here I try to explain two extensions. So one is Python and one is Jupyter Notebook. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.